Boost your immune system in under 5 minutes with this practice that taps all 3 pillars of your immune system, your thymus, your spine, and your adrenals. So take a stance that's about shoulder width apart. This is called the Fire Extinguisher. Put a bend in your knees. Place your hands on your thighs, fingers and thumbs inward on your inner thighs. Taking your rear back, we're going to do a little bit of spinal flexion and extension here with the healing sound for the heart, the fire. We're going to extinguish fire so that it doesn't burn us up inside. Inhale, arch your spine, stick out your tail. Exhale, round in and make the fire healing sound, which is H-A-A-A. Inhale, arch the spine. We'll do that 3 times. A little tone to the spine as well. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Now this time you're going to turn towards the camera. Gaze at your rear. Come back to the center. In the other direction. Turn. Gaze over, away from the camera. See if you can see your rear. Whew. I get a little leaf on my rear. 2 more times, turning towards and away, turning towards the camera. Look over at your tail. Arch, inhale, turn, look away from the camera, look at your rear. Extinguish the heat. Turn, gaze towards the camera. See your rear. Yeah. That feels amazing to the spine. Inhale. Let go of any heat. Turn away from the camera. These rampant emotions that are so volatile, so in flux these days. Turn 1 more time towards the camera. Strength and tone to the spine. Bye-bye hot, heated emotion. Now just back and forth to the center as we begin. Inhale. Now soft breath out of the nose. A little round ease. Fire is gone. Inhale. Exhale, round. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Now go ahead, slowly straighten the legs. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Now let's pull down this healing energy down, clearing the mind, witnessing the tranquility of your emotions and your vital well-being. 2 more. Inhale, coming all back to center, rejuvenated, enlivened, calm, cool, under pressure. 1 more. Feel that healing potential all in your low belly. Your dog might enjoy that one too. Be well, be healthy.